Have you ever tried to learn chess and just felt completely lost? Yeah, you're definitely not alone. Today we're going to look at Chesscito, an app that's taking a totally fresh look at how we learn this classic game, redesigning it for the world we live in today. So, what is it that makes their approach so different? Let's dive in and see what's going on under the hood. Okay, so at its heart, Chesscito is a mini app designed from the ground up for your phone. It's built for something called MiniPay, which runs on the Celo blockchain. But honestly, the tech is just the foundation here. The real magic, the big idea is its whole philosophy. You learn chess by actually playing through these active, visual, step-by-step lessons. But to really get why this solution is so cool, we first have to talk about the problem it's trying to fix. And trust me, it's a huge one that's been tripping up new chess players for, well, forever. Just think about it for a second. Why is this game, a game that so many people love, also famous for being so hard to get into? What is that first big wall that makes so many of us just want to give up right away? Well, the problem is pretty clear when you think about it. The traditional way to learn chess is to basically throw you into the deep end. You've got a full board, 32 pieces, and they all move in their own weird ways. It's just a classic case of information overload. It's way too much, way too soon. And is it any wonder that so many new players just check out? And wow, the difference here couldn't be more night and day. You got the old way, which is just pure chaos from the start. And then you have the Chesscito way. Just start with one single piece. Simple, focused, and absolutely stress-free. So how does this whole one piece at a time thing actually work in practice? Let's take a look at how you actually play the game. The core idea is so simple, it's brilliant. Instead of trying to cram all the rules into your brain at once, you just master the game one single piece at a time. This whole modular approach is what finally makes chess feel like something anyone can learn. Your whole learning journey is set up like the super satisfying loop. You start at the play hub, which is kind of like your mission control. From there, you pick a piece, let's say the rook. A quick interactive tutorial shows you exactly how it moves. And then, and this is the crucial part, you immediately get to try it out in a fun little challenge. Once you finish, you earn stars and unlock badges, so you always feel like you're making progress. And this quote from the creators really just says it all. The goal here isn't to sit and study chess. It's to learn by playing. Every single part of this app is built around that interactive step-by-step idea. But Chesscito isn't just about a new way to learn. It's also about a new way to keep track of what you've accomplished using some really cool modern tech. We're talking about achievements that aren't just saved in the app. They're permanent. It does this with something called an on-chain layer. Now, don't let the name scare you. It's actually pretty simple. All it means is that your progress, all your scores, your badges, everything you do gets recorded permanently on the Celo blockchain. It creates this verifiable public record of your entire chess journey. So why does that even matter? Well, for a few really important reasons. It means your progress is permanent, you can't lose it. It means your badges are verifiable, so you can actually prove you earned them. And this creates a really solid foundation for true digital ownership. And it even opens the door for things like digital collectibles later on, all tied to what you've done in the game. Okay, so let's zoom out for a second and just look at the bigger picture. What's the grand vision here? Why is this so important? Chesscito is really built on three big pillars. First, there's the education part, which is all about making learning simple and intuitive. Then there's the gameplay, which is designed to be accessible, low stress, and always rewarding. And finally, you've got the Web3 foundation, which is what gives you that verifiable progress and a real sense of ownership. So the big takeaway here is that Chesscito isn't just another chess app on the store. No way. It's a complete redesign of the learning experience itself. It's making the game more bite-sized, more visual, and way more rewarding for a whole new generation of players who live on their phones and are native to Web3. And that leaves us with this final thought, which just perfectly captures what this is all about. This isn't about that intimidating, super complex game of the past. It's about a whole new experience that is, above all else, playful, intuitive, and rewarding. It's a completely new way to make your first move for a whole new generation of chess players.